Renovation in the house. See this? Nicing up the place. Nicing up the house, guys. Nicing up the property. It's a lot of work.
Coming down?
No. It's a lot of work, guys, going on in the hot kitchen.
She is on me.
Guys, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work going on in the hot kitchen right now. It's fully active. I can't talk. I don't want them to know that I'm doing this. But guess what? You're gonna see the finished product because, guys, it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be epic. Yeah, man. After the work finish, it's gonna be epic. Can you hear that? The house is upside down. Yeah, man, it's a sneak peek of what is going on in the kitchen. It's fully active. See and stay. Thank you guys for watching. There's some work going on for the setting up the place for the summer, you know. Yeah, man, stick and stay.